quantity. Amelia? 2x plus 2y, and that can't be simplified any further. What you're basically doing is taking this times the first term, and then this times the second term. So far, so good. All right, then in the next box, the example says 8 parentheses 2x plus 3 parentheses plus 2x. Okay, our first job is to distribute the 8. I'm going to take this 8 and multiply each term inside the parentheses by 8. Destiny, you ready? Can you distribute the 8 for me, please? Yes? Yes? Plus 2x. Beautiful. This 2x is just going to come on down. Plus 2x. Why didn't we multiply it by 8? We multiplied everything else by 8. Why didn't we multiply the 2x by 8? Bradley?
He wasn't in the parentheses.
Exactly. He wasn't in the parentheses. So you're only multiplying the terms inside the parentheses by that number on the outside. Are we done? Is that it?
No.
What do we need to do? Sam? Is that our final answer? No. What do we need to do?
You have to put the 16 and the 2 together.
Yes. What are these called? The numbers in front are called coefficients. But when they have the same variable with the same exponent in the same spot and you want to combine them together, like terms, exactly. We're going to combine those like terms. All right, Sam, what do you get when you combine the like terms? 18x, and then what? Plus 24. Can we combine these guys together? No, because they're not like terms, exactly. These are not like terms, it's completely simplified and we're good to go. All right, in the next box, this one's a little longer, so let's take a look at this one. 3 plus 2 times x minus 7 plus 5x to the third power times 4x to the second power plus 3 minus 2x to the fifth. Holy cow, what do we need to do with this problem? How are we going to even begin this problem? Hannah?
3 plus 2x minus 4.
Okay, stop right there. I love what you're saying, but what are you doing?
Doing like the 2 times what's in the front.
Okay. That's called distributing. What are you doing? You're distributing. You're distributing the 2 and taking 2 times this and 2 times that. Beautiful. Did she do anything with the 3? No, not really. She just brought it down. She started the problem by saying 3 plus 2x minus 14. Hannah, that was awesome. Now, what are we about to do next? Brigitte?
You have to multiply. It would be easy to start with the coefficients first.
Yes, absolutely. What are you about to distribute?
Find x to the third power.
Exactly. Brigitte said now we have to distribute this whole thing to this term and this term and that term. And so she's going to distribute this chunk to this term, and this term. Not just the 5, but the 5x cubed times each one of those terms. Bradley? If they have the same exponent, I would combine them together. But if they don't have the same exponent, then I can't combine them because they're not like terms. All right. Now, Bridgette's right. We're going to start by multiplying the coefficients. Cindy, what are the coefficients on these two?
The x.
Those are the variables. But the coefficient is that number in front of the variable. So what are the coefficients on these two?
5 and 4.
Exactly. And so that's how you begin multiplying. Multiply your coefficients together. 5 times 4, Cindy?
20.
20. So we're going to have plus 20. Now the variable part. Focus on your variables and their exponents. What is x to the third times x to the second power? Wait a minute, you're multiplying, but what do you actually do with those exponents? Nick?
You add them together.
Add them. So what does it make?
It makes 20x is the fifth power.
To the fifth power. Beautiful. 20x to the fifth power is excellent. All right, so we just distributed 5x to the third times this, 4x squared. Now what do we do? What's next? Riley?
You multiply 5x, or you distribute 5x third to 3.
Exactly. What do you get when you multiply this times 3?
15x cubed.
Excellent. 15x cubed. Beautiful. Then what, Maddie?
Then you distribute to the 2.
Yes. Distribute it all the way down to the last term. What do you get?
10x to the 8.
Excellent. Now should I put plus 10x to the 8 or minus 10x to the 8? Minus, because of this negative. Excellent. Minus 10x to the 8th power. Beautiful. So we had distributing to do here on this set of parentheses and distributing to do here. Are we done? No. What else do we have to do?
Combine like terms.
Combine like terms. Do you see any like terms?
Yeah.
Ethan, where are the like terms?
Oh.
3 and the 14.
Exactly, and that's all there is. None of these are like terms, but this 3 and this negative 14 are both called constants because they don't have a variable. And you can combine your constants together because they're like terms. Ethan, what do you get when you combine those two together?
-11.
Excellent. So we've got a negative 11 plus 2x plus 20x to the 5th plus 15x to the 3rd minus 10x to the 8th. What do you think? Is it done? No. Why not? You have to put them in order. Well then, what kind of order are you talking? What is the proper order for this polynomial?
You have to put the little number.
Exponent?
Yeah, like from greatest to least.
Exactly. We want to rearrange them so that our exponents go from highest down to lowest. So who gets to go first? Hope!
Negative 10x.
I love the way you said that. It's a negative 10x to the 8th. So when you bring him out front, that negative sign is coming with him. He's negative 10x to the 8th. And then who gets to go next? Chris?
The 15
Yes. Now is it plus 15 to x to the 3rd or minus 15x to the 3rd?
plus 15.
Beautiful. He's a pop. No, wait. Chris, what are you thinking? What are they? Why are they yelling at us?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, this one has a power of 8, and I think you said 15, who has a power of 3. Is there somebody who thinks he's more important than that?
The 20.
Yes, exactly. So let's bring him down. Plus 20. Thank you for catching that, by the way. 20x to the 5th, and then who would go next? 15. 15, all right. Plus 15x to the 3rd. Ashley, which one would go next? Plus 2x. And then who gets to go last? Aubrey? Exactly. Now how do I write that? Minus 11. Good. That negative 11 is going to come down here at the very, very end as minus 11. And that, whew, is the final answer to that one. Looking good? All right. That's all we're going to do with lesson 2.6 for today. Now we also have lesson 2.7 we'll take care of.